Radios are set to 120.3, which is the tower frequency. In a moment, we'll switch over to...
205 Q Alpha is going to be parked at Solo Aviation today.
King Air 5 Q Alpha, Ann Arbor, taxi to Moravia Alpha, Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, parking 205 Q Alpha.
So that is tower audio, radio traffic, and we'll switch over to ATIS, which I can hear faintly being broadcast over the second radio. Somehow they're cross-talking, but we'll just switch over to COM2.
Visibility 10, ceiling 1,400 overcast, temperature 22, dew point 19er.
This is ATIS information for October
Initial contact,
5th.
you have information Alpha. Ann Arbor Airport information Alpha, 1553 Zulu weather. Wind 1505, visibility 10. Ceiling 1,400 overcast. Temperature 22, dew point 19er.
Check.
Altimeter 3002.
Check.
Advise on initial contact, you have information Alpha.
Check. Much higher than this, it's slightly uncomfortable. This is quite loud. This is probably about where we would be. So I think that concludes our test.
Wind 1506.
Should probably make sure that no audio is coming from elsewhere. You can see, I move the box away. And we're back again. Okay, that's it.